Albatrosses are amongst the largest of the flying birds. Albatrosses can live at least to their 60s. That means these birds can even live 60 to 70 years. The average weight of these birds is nearly to 22 pounds. These birds can weigh from 5.9 to 12.7 kgs. Their length is about 105 to 135 centimeters, and the wingspan ranges from 3.1 to 3.7 and the wingspan ranges from 3.1 to 3.7 meters. The wandering albatross is one of the giants of the avian world. These albatrosses can use the energy of the wind itself for dynamic soaring, for the continuing of long distances, and can fly continuously 950 kilometers per day at an average speed of about 40 kilometers per hour. These birds, when flying, use a technique known as dynamic soaring that allows them to use the wind energy to sustain long distance journeys around the Antarctic. That allows them to use the wind energy to sustain long distance journeys around the Antarctic. Albatrosses